Guys, it's Chris. You're watching Plumbing Explained, and this is Ride Along, a series where you ride along with me in between calls and we just talk about stuff. If you guys aren't already subscribed, make sure you go down and subscribe, leave a like on the video if you like it, and most importantly, please leave a comment down below, guys. I really appreciate it. I hope everybody's doing good. I've been really sick. I had back-to-back ear infections. I feel like I got the flu. It's just been nuts, man. I honestly was starting to believe that my cancer had come back because I was getting sick so much. But I'm good. I'm at the tail end of a cold right now. I don't know if you can tell, I'm still a little congested and whatnot, but I'm at the tail end of a cold right now. I plan on getting back to dropping videos for you guys, the Ride Along series, at least once a day. And we've got a bunch of unclogged episodes that I'm editing and stuff like that. I hope all you guys have been doing well. I really appreciate you guys sticking with me, sticking with the channel, sticking around, waiting for the next upload. I really appreciate it. Some of you guys will comment and ask, you know, how I'm doing when I disappear for a little while, and I really appreciate that, man. I love the community we have here. I love you guys. I really appreciate you guys. Other than that, you know, I just hope everybody's doing well. I lost a couple family members this month, month of September. It's been a little bit of a rough month. But, you know, it is what it is. Only thing I can say, guys, is try and live life without too many regrets. If you've got people that you aren't talking to, try and talk to them, try and communicate. Don't be that person, that stubborn person that just is too, you know, you think too much of yourself to reach out to somebody and communicate or whatever, you know. Maybe that person hurt you and they didn't apologize or whatever, and you're standing on the fact you're not going to contact them first. You know, death is forever, guys, so make sure you reach out to some of these people. Tell them you love them, tell them you miss them, tell them you appreciate them. Other than that, this will be a short episode because I didn't really plan on, I didn't have a lot to talk about. I didn't have a lot planned or anything. I just wanted to reach out and talk to you guys real quick. I'll drop another episode tomorrow. We'll talk a little bit more about plumbing. But yeah, man, I hope everybody's doing great. I hope hope everybody's staying healthy, making money. I hope, you know, you guys are just doing great all around. Anyways, that's it for me. Make sure you're subscribed, like the video, comment down below. I appreciate you guys.